Grilling is a fun way to cook and entertain outdoors. It's also a great way to bring out the best in some of our favorite foods, all while getting the opportunity to spend time with those we care about. Fire Magic is a premium American made brand of high end outdoor grills, barbecue smokers, and kitchen accessories, and they understand the value of your outdoor space. And today, we'll be going over a little bit about what makes their grills so special and unique. To kick us off, let's start off with their best of the best, the Echelon Diamond grills. Available in 30, 36, and 48-inch widths, these luxury gas grills combine the ultimate in performance, beauty, and innovation. This grill features a sleek, underglass electronic display packed with smart tech, letting you monitor temperatures right from your phone. You can connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi if you'd like, use the built-in digital timer and meat probe, and enjoy comfort touch knobs with a brushed metal finish. The blue backlit knobs with flame icons make everything easy to see and use, even when you're grilling at night. The Diamond Sear cooking grids are designed to perform better. Their patented flat top bars transfer heat more efficiently from the burners to the cooking surface, so food cooks faster, more evenly, and with better results across the grill. Their flavor grids are designed to let heat rise cleanly from the burners to the cooking surface for fast, even heat distribution. They enhance flavor by vaporizing food juices while helping reduce flare-ups and grease fires, and they're easy to clean and maintain. These burners are made from a 1/4-inch thick 304 grade stainless steel and can weigh up to 12 pounds each. They feature a protective lip to protect against grease from clogging the ports. They will cook consistently, and they come with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. And if you love to check on your food without lifting the hood and losing heat, good news. You have an option of having a window on the grill hood. It is made of a heat-resistant ceramic glass. It can handle extremely high temperatures and rapid changes. The curved glass matches the grill lid and is framed in a beautiful polished stainless steel for a sleek, durable finish. With induction and electric cooking being more popular than ever, Fire Magic has you covered. Let me introduce you to their electric grill series. It features a dual temperature control zone for simultaneous cooking, touchscreen panel or Bluetooth and Wi-Fi smart controls. You have a patented Diamond Sear cooking grid for even searing, and it is also made with the 304 stainless steel with optional ceramic glass windows. It heats up to 700 degrees and preheats up to in less than 15 minutes. It is 480 square feet in terms of grilling space. It's double-walled lid, and it has a magic view window if you would like. It has a digital thermometer and meat probe, and it has an easy clean drip tray and removable warming rack. Lastly, before I let you go, as an added bonus, I have to talk about their pizza ovens. This outdoor pizza oven isn't just for artisan style pizza. You can bake, broil, and more. The pizza oven boasts a ceramic glass viewing window and an easy access oven door for pizza stones or a baking rack. It highlights the state-of-the-art black glass control panel featured on Echelon gas grills. Providing digital touchscreen and thermostatic operations, this model also boasts integrated smart technology for operation with a smartphone and an internal temperature probe for monitoring and cooking temperatures. These outdoor appliances are just the tip of the iceberg for Fire Magic that truly completes the outdoor suite. Fire Magic has other grills, refrigeration, accessories, and even an industry-leading outdoor induction cooktop. If you'd like to learn more about Fire Magic and see more of their products in person, book an appointment in our showrooms and leave a comment below on what you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.